because it seems you are having a mixed background. Some of you might be from CS and some of you might be from EC, isn't it?
Uh, so, I don't think so. We had anything regarding data communications or something like that.
So, Didi, from where you passed out BTech?
Acropolis, Indore,
Indore. You BTech CS or EC?
CSE.
CSE, okay. And Mohana Pasak,
Yes, sir. I'm from CSE background.
CSE background.
Yes, sir.
And Moj Samar,
Sir, CSE background.
okay. Tanvi is not there. Pragya,
So CSE background.
so it seems most of you are having a CS background, but some of you might be having EC background also. Am I correct?
Sir, I doubt because I don't think so in our batch anyone is having seed background.
Okay, fine. So in your BTech CSE, have you done a course on data communication or wireless networking or wireless communication?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir, I don't remember anything
Okay.
such.
Tanvi,
Yes, sir. I am also from CS.
okay, have you done a course? Because this course is also taught to CS students. Okay. Pragya, have you done a course? No. At least on data communication, you must have done a course. Hello?
No, sir.
No. My God. Okay.
So we just had a subject something like analog and digital signal.
Okay. So this is very basic. Actually.
Yeah.
After that, you might not have done anything in this. So in first semester, have you done a course on computer networking? No.
Yeah, so networking was there. Advanced network technology was there.
Okay. Who taught this course?
Patnaik, sir. K.K. Patnaik.
Okay. So what are the things you covered in first semester? Just a few lines about that. Just contents, not the description. Topics. Just can you tell me?
Sir, gigabit networking,
Okay.
wireless sensor network,
Okay.
and brief of content delivery network.
Okay. Anything else we covered?
No, sir.
Okay. So which books he referred? So at least I will get some idea of where I need to start. How to plan my own lectures. Which book he referred?
So for gigabit networking, we preferred crack Patridge one, but and for others, for WSN, we had
Yes.
actually we don't remember the book name because Patnaik sir sent us the PDF file of the chapters we needed to study.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in this particular course of wireless network technology, I would like to start with some fundamentals of wireless communication, little bit of that. And then we can move to some MAC layer protocol like collision detection, prevention, collision detection and avoidance of that protocol that is at the MAC layer. And hidden and exposed node problem, we can go through that. And sometimes this IEEE 802.11 wireless LAN protocols, wireless local area networking protocols. Then we can go to this frequency of spread spectrum, direct sequence spread spectrum. And then we can go to OFDM also, that is used in the fourth generation of. So basically it is going to be a mixture of some kind of physical layer, network layer and back layer thing. So as we know that in the wireless networking, the second generation or in the wireless communication, the second generation was basically TDMA based. The third generation basically involved direct sequence spread spectrum systems. And the fourth generation basically is your OFDM, orthogonal frequency division multiple access kind of system. And how the things are affected even at higher layer, because these things are basically used at the physical layer. Then how the things change at the MAC layer and the networking layer. So we have to go through all these things. So that's why there are different protocols are there. 802 under 802.11 standard. So these things we are going to broadly cover in that. So there is one book by Steve Reckley, S-T-E-V-E, Steve Reckley. So I would like to write the name of that. Just a minute. I will share it. So can you see this now?
So,
Okay. So the author is Steve Reckley. And the title of the book is Wireless Network Technology. Although this book is around 400 or more than 400 pages, so it's not possible to cover the book, but few things that we are going to definitely cover of that book. And if there is some other book required, then I will let you know. Okay. Now about the evaluation. See, you will be evaluated on a scale of 100. So there would be 3 components in the evaluation. One is the minor. Or quiz. Then another component in the evaluation is going to be assignment. And we are having finally major examination. And all these would be from 100 marks. So we'll fix the ratio, what should be the ratio of minor, assignment or major out of 100. That we'll fix later on, but there would be 3 components, and the quiz could be surprise quiz also. So whenever it is a surprise quiz, so it is your own interest to present in all the classes. Because if you are absent, then probably you will lose marks. But see, I will check the regularity of the student. If the students are very regular, then unfortunately on that particular day, 1 or 2 students are missing. In that case, I can give them re-chance, maybe some kind of oral examination. I can give the opportunity. Because setting question paper or quiz for 1 or 2 students is very difficult job. Or if the student is in fact not very regular, then on that particular day he is absent in the quiz, then I will not consider his or her request, and she or he is going to lose the marks. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please be regular in all the classes because it is in your interest. So I will give you an assignment also. So maybe some kind of programming based assignment, so that you are required to submit maybe says 10 to 15 days to 7 days to 15 days time, depending on the type of assignment. And at the end of the semester, maybe towards the April end or somewhere in the first week of May, you are required to give the major examination. Or there would be one minor examination also and some quiz also. Or if I am not taking quiz, in that case I will take 2 minor examination. And I know that I am not blaming you, and I am not basically saying that you are doing that, but many students are basically, they make WhatsApp group, and whenever a problem is given to them in any kind of examination, they share the solution. So I know these things are happening because the online, but I will try to innovate few things. For example, I can give you 10 problems. I know that it's difficult to solve 10 problems in a given time. So if you are doing and consulting each other on the WhatsApp or some other parallel channels, then probably you will end up doing less number of problems. So I will give the maximum marks to the student who has attempted maximum number of problems. So I will try to get things like that, so that your individual contribution would be appreciated, not the joint efforts that you go through parallel channels. I hope that the things are quite clear to you. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's why you need to be regular in all the classes. Okay? And
Okay, sir.
sorry. Now next thing is when we can fix the class to start the course. Can we do it on just a minute? I will check my schedule. Sorry. Wednesday around 4, can we meet?
No, sir. Can we shift it to 11 to 12?
Wednesday. Why
Yes,
you are
sir.
shying away? You are having some class at 4 p.m.?
No, so we don't have any class at 4 p.m., but we were thinking if all the classes would
Oh,
be in.
no, I understand this. I will only this Wednesday. The reason is that because Wednesday in the morning session, I am busy, and at 2 there is a meeting at NIT Bhopal. So I am a part of that in the BOS there, Board of Studies meeting.
Okay.
So I have already committed there. So that's why I am busy on actually Wednesday morning, half and up to 4. That's why I gave you the time of 4 p.m. Or
So
if you
for
want, we can shift it to Thursday. Thursday, I am again busy. Thursday, we can have a class from 2 to 3. Or 2:30 to 3:30 is okay.
say 2:30 to 3:30 would be a bit late. Could we please shift it to 2?
Why it is late? Why it is late? I
So
want to
it
know.
is late like that, but we were thinking if all the classes would be in a line-wise manner in the first half
No,
of
only
the
for
week.
this week. Otherwise, from next week onwards, I will fix the schedule.
Okay, so then that's okay. We are okay with everything.
Okay,
Like
it's
either
not. It's
on.
not regular. It's not regular. Only for this week.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. For so if it is for a single day, we
Maybe
are
from
fine.
1 or 2 weeks only, I will schedule the classes consulting with you. After 2 weeks time, I will fix the schedule. That is around 12 or something like that. Okay. 12 to 1
Okay.
maybe every day.
Okay,
But
sure.
only for 1 or 2 weeks because I'm a little bit busy in some other works also. So only
Yeah, that's fine.
okay. So I think the Wednesday or Thursday. Now I raise the question once again.
Wednesday would be okay. 4 o'clock.
Wednesday I will busy from okay. I will use up to 4. So 4 o'clock is okay.
Yeah, we don't have any issue.
Okay, so 4 o'clock Wednesday. Is it fine?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So please inform the others, those who did not attend the class, today's class. So be regular and be punctual also. Okay? Fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay.